Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is March the 28th on a Friday, and taking a quick look, I have the Qs up today. The SPYs look very similar. We Nothing real bullish about this chart right here. I mean, we're kind of in a no man's land, but yesterday was kind of a disappointing day if you're bullish. Big rejection wick, upside wick there, and closing back below all of our key moving averages. So definitely a market where I'm doing a lot more real short swing trading, maybe a day and a half, or and sometimes even they turn into day trades. So you just got to play what the market is giving you. So treacherous out there on both sides. I think we could see this for a while, but let's dive in. Take a look at some setups. There are some strong stocks out there. So first on the list is going to be SSRM. Now, this has been on the list several times over the last month, and it just keeps setting up again. Well, here you have it. Trying to break out of this level. I'd rather catch these things on pullbacks, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful chart here. Above 1139 is the trigger. Actually, 1139 is the trigger on that SSRM. AUR is another one. I just kind of like the way this thing has been holding on, to its moving averages, not breaking below that 20. So you have a significant level here if it does get above, that 785 level. So we're calling the 786 the trigger on this AUR. So let's move on to the next one, OPRT. OPRT is another one that's just been hanging out near this 50-period moving average and the 10-period moving average, but definitely holding on to that 50-period moving average. I like it if it does get above the 625 area. We're calling the trigger 628 on that OPRT. Could have a nice little area where there's very little resistance. And the last on the list is ADMA. Another very strong chart. Look how it's holding that 10-period moving average. Looking for basically a break of this range high, which would be $20.71 there in ADMA. But not a lot of good setups out there. So be careful, keep it tight. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.